Welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to cover all important current affairs of September first week in English. For PDF of this video, link is in the description. For PDF, you can join us at our Telegram group, Next Exam IQ. Simply, you have to search our channel name, Next Exam IQ. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now let's start the important current affair video. So the first question you have to remember that India has withdrawn from Russia Caucasus 2020 military exercise, which is a multilateral exercise which is scheduled from September 15 to 26. Now India has decided to withdraw from this military exercise, that is Caucasus 2020. The main reason, the official reason behind this is COVID-19 pandemic. India is not going to take any risk with their soldiers, so India had decided to withdraw from this multilateral exercise, that is Caucasus 2020. So second question is, recently National Council for Promotion of Urdu Language has organized World Hindu Conference in which Indian state / union territory? So you have to answer this question. So correct answer for this question is New Delhi. Our capital New Delhi is the correct answer for this question. Next is, Government of India has decided to sell how much % stake in Hindustan Aeronautic Limited? So correct answer for this question is 15%. And the chairman of Hindustan Aeronautic Limited is R. Madhavan and headquarters is in Bengaluru. And this will raise around 5,000 crore rupees by selling this 15% stake. Next is, who has become the first bowler to take 500 wickets in T20? So correct answer for this question is Dwayne Bravo. And recently, James Anderson, he's from England. He's the fast bowler from England. He has become the first pace bowler to reach 600 wickets in Test cricket. So James Anderson is also important. Now correct answer for this question is Dwayne Bravo. Next is, Chadwick Boseman passed away. He was renowned. You have to answer. So correct answer for this question is actor. Next is, recently which Indian state has become the first to acquire the first marine ambulance, Pratiksha? So correct answer for this question is Kerala. With this Pratiksha, 2 other marine ambulance were also deployed. Next question is, recently Union Social and Empowerment Ministry, the ministry is Thawar Chand Gehlot, has launched which helpline number to help people related to any mental health issues. If you are facing any mental health issue, you can call on this toll free number, that is 1800-599-0019, and name of this helpline is Kiran. So option number B is the correct answer for this question. Next one, Thiranga Pranavitana announced his retirement. You have to answer, he played for which country? So correct answer for this question is Sri Lanka. Recently the Ministry of Culture has announced how many new circles of Archaeological Survey of India? So total 7 new circles were identified, and the 7 circles are Raiganj in West Bengal, Trichy in Tamil Nadu, Rajkot in Gujarat, Jhansi in UP, Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh, Meerut in UP, and Hampi in Karnataka. Okay. And who is the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India? V. Vaidyanathan. A.R. Lakshman passed away. You have to answer, he was related to which field? So correct answer for this question is Supreme Court judge. He was a former Supreme Court judge. He recently passed away. The Union Sports Ministry had announced to increase the prize money in the 4 of 7 categories of National Sports Award winners. Now Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna prize has been increased from 7.5 lakh to 25 lakh rupees. Arjuna Award prize winning money has been increased from 5 lakh to 15 lakh rupees. Dronacharya Award winning, like in case of field of lifetime, now will get 15 lakh rupees instead of 5 lakh rupees. And Dhyan Chand Award winner will get now 10 lakh rupees instead of 5 lakh rupees. Okay, so these are the some increment in among the 4 categories of the 7 categories. There are total 7 categories in which the prize money has been increased in 4 categories. Which state will host the 51st edition of International Film Festival 2020? So which state will host? This will be hosted by Goa. Next one. Recently, IIT Alumni Council has signed memorandum of understanding with which country for building the world largest and fastest hybrid quantum computer in India? So this memorandum of understanding has been signed between India and Russia. Next is, who has become the world first person to hit the net worth of $200 billion? So correct answer for this question is Jeff Bezos. Okay, our former President Pranab Mukherjee passed away at the age of 84. Now you have to answer in this question, in which year he was awarded with Bharat Ratna. So correct answer for this question is 2019. Noor Inayat Khan has become the first Indian origin woman to be honored with Blue Plaque in which country? She was a spy in the Second World War. So which country will honor her? Correct answer is United Kingdom. What is the rank of India in terms of average wage per month according to the global survey conducted by Peabody.com? The list has been topped by Switzerland. Our rank is 72 with an average salary of 32,800 rupees per month. According to Indian Meteorological Department, India has set a new record in August after 44 years by receiving 25% more rainfall than average. You have to answer who is the Director General of Indian Meteorological Department. He is also known as the Cyclone Man of India. Correct answer is Mrutyunjay Mohapatra. Next is, India's first International Women Trade Center will be established in which Indian state? So this will be established in Kerala, and name of this Women Trade Center will be REACH. The full form of REACH is Resource Enhancement Academy for Career Heights. India and Russia jointly win the International Chess Federation Online Chess Olympiad. The reason behind this is declaring both the team winner is the internet connectivity issue. So the World Chess Governing Body has declared both of the countries as the winner. Okay. Which of the following insurance company has launched an insurance cover for pet dogs? So correct answer for this question is Bajaj Allianz. Next is, which Indian state will commence seaplane services from 31st October on the occasion of National Unity Day? So correct answer for this question is Gujarat. Which of the following Indian state has launched Major Dhyan Chand Vijay Path Yojana? So this scheme has been launched by the state government of UP. Recently, the CISF, the Central Industrial Security Forces, developed a mobile app named Pensioner Corner to reach pensioners and to bring them digital platform. You have to answer who is the DG of CISF, who is the Director General of CISF. So correct answer is Rajesh Ranjan. The first regiment of S-400 trimmed air defense will be delivered to India by end of 2021 by which country? So this will be delivered by Russia. Okay, which of the following month has been observed as the month of nutrition as declared by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji? So correct answer for this question is September month. And we are also observing National Nutrition Week from 1st September to 7th September. Okay, which country has recently granted 3,500 crore and official development assistance for COVID-19 crisis to India? So this has been done by Japan. Okay, world largest solar tree has been deployed by CSIR-CMERI in which Indian state? So correct answer for this question is West Bengal. Medbot medical trolley has been developed by which organization to help deliver food and medicines to COVID-19 patient? So this has been developed by our Indian Railway. Scooby-Doo Co-creator Joy Ruby passed away. Congress MP Harikrishna Vasant Kumar passed away due to COVID-19. He was a member of parliament to the 17th Lok Sabha from Kanyakumari constituency, Tamil Nadu. He passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, Rajiv Kumar takes charge as the new election commissioner of India.